Hey, good evening, folks. Another S Group daily review video number 142. And yeah, we got our earnings last night, guys. So it looks like they've changed the times when we're going to get our earnings. It used to be 8 p.m. Central Time. Now I think it's around midnight or 11 or something like that. So I don't know. I went to bed because I work early in the morning. So I got up this morning. I got the bot report. So last night it was a really good earning evening there, 0.51%. And collectively I made $110.61. If you add these two amounts together here, 249 and 108.12. So it's a really good day, guys. I got some referral bonus that came in. So yeah, as you see up here at the top right, I have $366.02. Any other referral bonus that comes in over the week, that'll be great. But whatever this amount is, I'm going to be withdrawing it into my checking account. So I have money to do other things that I need to do, pay some bills and buy groceries and stuff like that. Whatever, extra passive income for myself here. So far, guys, I've made $620 here, monthly income. Well, that's when I reset my month, which was 13 days ago here, guys. So in 13 days, I made $620 just for having the money invested in the system. So my two investments are going to expire, yeah, on June 16th. So when that happens, guys, what I'm going to be doing is, well, on that day, since I have the reinvest feature turned off, so what that'll do is that'll take my monthly earnings, which is whatever this amount and this amount will be. When this reaches 31 days, this will go to the top right. And then at that point, I'll have access to the money. What I'm going to do for sure is I'm going to reinvest $400. I'm going to get this to 27,000. That's my main goal. And once that's at 27,000, I might do a little bit more, maybe 600, but I mean 400 is going to be the absolute minimum. So and then the rest of the money I'll just take out and enjoy it, and then kind of rinse and repeat for every single month that passes by, guys. I kind of want to be growing this about $500 a month minimum, so it'll go up 1,000, of course, every 2 months, which is great. And yeah, I'm gonna be really excited when I get to 30,000, guys. So I'll be making some. It's like when it says 0.4%, I'll be making $100, and as of late, we've been getting averaging around 0.4%. So it's pretty sweet so far here, guys. I mean, yeah, this is a really good day last night. As you see, it shot up here as opposed to the last few days. The last big day we had was April 24th, 0.64%. So that's almost a month later there. 0.51, really good. Hopefully, we have a good earning tonight, guys. So, yeah, getting a lot of responses, a lot of people questioning S Group, sending me messages. I really appreciate that. I didn't check my careers page in a while here, guys. Let me see how I'm doing here. Because I have another, let's see, $17,396.26 till I reach 2,000 team turnover bonus. So I'm looking forward to that. And yeah, just moving right along here, guys. I know I have some members that are going to be reinvesting and putting money back into the system, growing their account. That's kind of the goal. Um, Eventually, of course, I want to be reaching the top tier, as you guys have probably heard me say in my most recent videos. 50,000 is a top tier. You're at 85% of the share, and the company gets 50%, as opposed to the other, as opposed to what I'm in right now here. I'm currently earning 80% of the share, and the company gets 20%. So once I reach this level, guys, I'm going to be pretty much like retired. Won't have to work really, because I mean, I'm making more than enough money to pay all my bills, as well as keep growing my account. I'll just keep reinvesting money back in the system. Just keep doing that forever, guys. So this kind of ends my 5 minute daily review video here, guys. Didn't want to keep it too long, Don't want to bore you with too much of the details, but if you're kind of just searching around in YouTube, you come across this video, thank you very much for checking it out. If you're interested in signing up and making some passive income, guys, I've made over $26,124.99 so far in the system. That's my all-time income since October of 2020 is when I started. So just leaving my money in there, letting it grow, taking some money out, reinvesting some. Click on the sign up link down below to sign up and join underneath my team, and I'll walk you through everything. Shoot me an email. My email is in the description down below. And also don't forget to click on the subscribe button just below this video so you can subscribe to my channel and be informed of all the updates and see my progress and such. So see you guys in the next video. Take care.